You probably know it, watching a video on YouTube to relax. 3 hours and a few cat videos later, you look at the clock and notice you have been sucked into a YouTube rabbit hole. You look at the numbers, 85% of the teens use YouTube. Older age groups are even a much larger percentage active. That means that most of the world uses YouTube on a daily basis. What makes YouTube so addictive? Watch the video to the end to see how it affects you. As a social media channel, YouTube may feel a bit like a stranger in the bite. When it comes to linking, following, and connecting with friends and family online, you're probably more likely to do it via Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. However, YouTube is a strong social platform where you share videos with the other subscribers and viewers. What's really shocking is that YouTube's power is so strong that it ranks second in web traffic after Google's search engine. They're called recommendation algorithms, and they're one of the most powerful machine learning spin-offs we have today. The reason behind that is simple. Though the recommendation algorithm, the way we use information becomes very colored. The algorithm always ensures that you see videos of the same type of content. The word algorithm quickly conjures up the image of a computer solving a difficult mathematical problem. But in essence, an algorithm is nothing but a finite set of instructions for achieving a goal. The influence of YouTube has come under considerable pressure. Just because the algorithm is optimized for more engagement with the videos, it often offers choices that reinforce certain worldviews that the viewer already had. If you thought this was bad, I can tell you that an addictive experience can lead to political radicalization, as many studies have shown. The algorithm is optimized for more engagement. As a result, it recommends videos that reaffirm the viewer's worldview. Before we get more shocking news about the danger of the algorithm, let me tell you this first. YouTube says it's working on those issues. A new paper from parent company Google tells a very different story. There it is said that an update would be made to the famous YouTube algorithm. This would ensure that the content offered is increasingly tailored to the relevant viewer. YouTube is working on its current recommendation algorithm in the following way. It starts with a short list of hundreds of videos that match the topic and other features of the video you're currently watching. Then it will put that list in a certain order according to the preferences of the user. YouTube learns those preferences by closely monitoring all of your clicks and playing them onto their machine learning algorithm. Is the information in this video helpful? Then give this video a like so that more people can see this video. This way, you can help the algorithm and more people can enjoy this information about it. Surprisingly, researchers are demanding that the issue of impact bias be rigorously addressed. With this, the researchers refer to the way in which recommendations themselves can influence the behavior of the viewer, since the viewer can often no longer distinguish whether they clicked on a video because he or she found the video interesting or because the video is highly recommended. The effect of this is that over time you get further and further away from the videos you actually want to watch. To quell this bias, researchers are therefore now proposing an update to the algorithm. Whenever a viewer clicks on a video, YouTube also considers that video's ranking in the sidebar. Videos that are high in the ranking have less weight than videos that are lower in the ranking of your sidebar. It is a fact that we all like to hear what we already know, and that fact has even been given a name, namely confirmation bias. And YouTube's algorithms feed you confirmation bias. This makes it painfully clear how algorithms can indeed have a social impact. Do you want to know more about YouTube addictions? Then click on the video in the screen.